If you love chicken recipes that are easy, full of flavor, and guaranteed to impress, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 7 best chicken recipes from natashaskitchen.com. From crispy, cheesy classics to juicy, restaurant-style dinners you can make right at home. These are the kind of recipes your family will ask for again and again. So let's jump right in. Did you know you can roast a whole chicken this easy? Cut 2 large carrots into chunks, 6 Yukon Gold or red potatoes into quarters, 1 medium onion into 1-inch pieces, and slice 1 whole head of garlic in half. Toss half the garlic with veggies, 2 rosemary sprigs, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Now grab a 5.5-pound whole chicken, pat it dry, and season inside with 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Stuff it with 1/2 lemon, the other 1/2 of garlic, and 2 more rosemary sprigs. Brush outside with 2 tablespoons melted butter, then season with 2 teaspoons salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper all over. Add the veggies around the chicken, tuck wings, tie legs, and roast at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 80 to 90 minutes until 165 degrees Fahrenheit inside. Rest 15 minutes before slicing. Juicy, crispy, better than store-bought. The ultimate crispy chicken sandwiches. Let's go! Start with 3 medium chicken breasts, slice them in half, and pound to 1/2 inch thickness. For the marinade, mix 1.5 cups low-fat buttermilk, 1 tablespoon hot sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Coat the chicken, cover, and marinate for 2 hours or overnight. For the breading, combine 1.5 cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon paprika. Dredge the chicken, press on the coating, and set aside. Heat 1 inch of oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry 2 pieces at a time, about 3 minutes per side until golden and crispy. Rest on a wire rack for 10 minutes. Toast buns with butter, add fry sauce, mayo plus ketchup, then layer pickles, lettuce, tomatoes, and that crispy chicken. Juicy, crunchy, and better than any restaurant sandwich. You have to try this creamy chicken lasagna. It's cheesy, rich, and so easy with rotisserie chicken. Shred 4 cups of cooked chicken, chop 1 onion, mince 3 garlic cloves, and prep 5 ounces of spinach. Cook 9 lasagna noodles until al dente and cool them in cold water. For the sauce, sauté onion in olive oil, add 4 tablespoons butter and 1/3 cup flour. Then whisk in 2.5 cups chicken broth and 1.5 cups half and half. Season with 2 teaspoons salt and 1/2 teaspoon pepper. Stir in garlic and spinach until wilted. For the ricotta mix, combine 15 ounces ricotta, 2 cups mozzarella, reserve 1 cup, 1/4 cup parmesan, 1 egg, and 1/4 cup parsley. To assemble, layer sauce, noodles, half ricotta, half chicken, more sauce. Repeat with noodles, ricotta, chicken, sauce. Then top with noodles, the rest of the sauce, and mozzarella. Cover with foil, bake at 375 for 45 minutes. Broil 2 to 3 minutes, rest 30 minutes, garnish with parsley, and serve. This is creamy, cheesy perfection and a family favorite. Ultimate chicken scampi pasta. It's fast, fresh, and full of flavor. Season 1.5 pounds chicken tenders with 1.5 teaspoons salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Dredge in flour and set aside. Chop 1/3 cup fresh parsley, mince 4 garlic cloves, about 1 tablespoon, zest 1 teaspoon lemon zest, and squeeze 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. Cook 12 ounces spaghetti in salted water, 2 tablespoons salt until al dente. Reserve 1/2 cup pasta water. In a skillet, heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Sauté chicken 2 minutes per side until golden, then remove. In the same pan, add 3/4 cup dry white wine and reduce to 1/4 cup. Stir in 4 tablespoons butter, garlic, 1/4 cup lemon juice, 1 teaspoon zest, and parsley. Season with 1/2 teaspoon salt. Add chicken back to coat, toss with pasta, spoon extra sauce over, and garnish with parsley and fresh parmesan. Rich, lemony, garlicky chicken roll-ups stuffed with pesto, tomato, and mozzarella. Start with 4 chicken breasts, cut in half for 8 thin cutlets, then pound to 1/8 inch thickness. Season both sides with garlic salt and black pepper. Spread 1 tablespoon pesto on each cutlet. Add 2 thin tomato slices and sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons mozzarella. Roll up tightly and secure with toothpicks. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil and 1 tablespoon butter in an oven-safe skillet. Sear roll-ups 4 minutes per side. Top with remaining mozzarella and 1 cup cherry tomatoes. Then bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 13 to 15 minutes until cooked through. Garnish with fresh basil. Serve and enjoy juicy, cheesy chicken roll-ups packed with flavor. Stuffed chicken parmesan, crisp outside, juicy inside, ready in 30 minutes. Start with 4 chicken breasts. Season with 3/4 teaspoon salt and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. Then cut a deep slit and stuff each with 2 to 3 tablespoons shredded mozzarella. For breading, set up 3 bowls, 1/2 cup flour, 2 beaten eggs, and 1/2 cup cup breadcrumbs mixed with 1/3 cup Parmesan. Coat each chicken in flour, dip in egg, then breadcrumbs. Heat 3 tablespoons olive oil in a pan. Sear chicken 4 minutes per side until golden. Pour in 2 cups marinara sauce, spoon some over each chicken, then top with more mozzarella. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. Garnish with fresh basil. Serve over pasta or noodles. Crispy, cheesy, and so easy. Creamy lemon chicken pasta in 30 minutes. Boil water with a tablespoon of salt. Add 12 ounces of fettuccine and cook until al dente. For the chicken, cut 2 breasts into 4 cutlets. Dip in a mix of 1 egg and 1 tablespoon milk. Then coat with 1 cup panko, half a teaspoon salt, and an 1/8 teaspoon pepper. Sear in 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 to 4 minutes per side, until golden and cooked through. For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons butter, add 2 minced garlic cloves and a 1/4 teaspoon onion powder. Stir in 2 cups heavy cream, half a teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and a 1/3 cup Parmesan. Mix until creamy. Toss pasta with the sauce, slice chicken, squeeze fresh lemon on top, and finish with parsley and more Parmesan. Creamy, zesty, and so satisfying. These chicken fajitas, easy, flavorful, and all in one pan. For the marinade, mix 2 tablespoons fresh lime juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, chili powder, paprika, cumin, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Slice 2 large chicken breasts in half, coat in marinade, and set aside. Prep veggies. Slice 3 bell peppers and 1 medium onion. Heat oil in a skillet. Cook chicken 3 to 5 minutes per side until 165 degrees. Rest and slice. In the same skillet, add oil, saute onion and peppers 5 to 6 minutes with salt and pepper, then add sliced chicken back in and toss. Toast tortillas until lightly charred. Keep warm in a towel. Build fajitas with chicken, peppers, and toppings like salsa, pico de gallo, sour cream, cheese, avocado or guacamole, lettuce, lime juice, and cilantro. Juicy, smoky, and loaded with flavor. Make these once and you'll make them again. Please like, share, and subscribe for more.